Hi everyone, we're beginning week 3, which covers chapters 7, 8, and 9. Chapter 7 is Emergent Literacy Skills and Strategies, helping children to figure out words. After you have read this chapter, you should be able to explain the theory and research relating to figuring out words in early literacy. Understand what children need to learn about CAP, or concepts of print. Identify a variety of methods for teaching the alphabet. Describe strategies for figuring out words other than phonics. And about assessing emergent literacy skills. Chapter 8 deals with phonological awareness and phonics instruction. At the end of this chapter, you'll be able to define phonological and phonemic awareness and identify activities for developing them. Define phonics and describe effective strategies for teaching phonics skills, and to assess knowledge of word study skills. Just a little hint, phonemic awareness is all oral. Nothing is written down for phonemic awareness. When I was a literacy coach, I always told teachers phonemic awareness is something that you can do with your eyes shut. That was just an easy way for them to distinguish what phonemic awareness was. Chapter 9 discusses developing comprehension of text and fluency. At the end of the chapter, you will be able to discuss recent theory and research about reading comprehension, classroom organizational strategies for teaching comprehension, summarize important reading research-based strategies that enhances a child's comprehension of text, discuss the role of fluency in comprehension and strategies to enhance fluency, and review and summarize how to assess children's comprehension of text. You have 2 additional reading assignments this week. Teaching phonemic awareness, letter knowledge, and concepts of print from Reading Rockets. And early literacy instruction, research applications in the classroom, which is also from Reading Rockets. Forum 3.1 is, what role do you see phonics playing in balanced literacy instruction? And use quotes from the chapter to support your opinion. And I just want to remind you, this week, I am not as lenient on forums as I have been. I will be adhering to the rubric very strictly. So please make sure that if you have a reference at the bottom of your posting, you have cited it within the post. Make sure that you're using APA 7, which can be found on Moodle. Form 3.2 is schema. What was your schema about reading comprehension before you read chapter 9? How has your schema changed since reading this chapter? 2 parts to this question. Also, when you are responding to peers, please be sure to ask reflective questions. I know that some of you have been doing that, and that's wonderful. And I am really excited about seeing those responses back to your peer. Some of you have done an excellent job about that. We want this conversation to keep going because it's online. That is how we're going to be learning more. You have one quiz this week. That is it. Please remember, I'm scrolling ahead to week 5. Your parent involvement training session. There are several parts to that. Please don't wait until week 5 to begin. If you have questions, please ask me. Hope you all have a great week.